What's up guys, we're back with the latest Huawei's news. So Huawei recently released the Huawei's Mate 40 series, with the Kirin chipsets. The smartphone went really popular inside China, and now, Huawei is moving its attention towards the Huawei P lineup. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So, despite US sanctions disturbing its supply line, still the company is on track to launch the P50 series in the first half of 2021. While it was rumored that the upcoming Huawei P50 series will have Snapdragon chipsets, because Huawei doesn't have enough Kirin chipsets to feature it in the P50 series, but now, a South Korean tech news site claims that the P50 series will land in the first half of 2021, and that it's expected to use the Kirin 9000 chipset. Yes, the same processor Huawei Mate 40 series have, and it's not surprising at all though, because Huawei usually debut a new current chipset in their Mate range, and then uses it again in the following P-series model. But the main question here is that, how it is even possible like let Richard Yu, the president of the Huawei, said that the company wouldn't be able to keep using Kirin chipsets after 2020, as Huawei's ban in the US would prevent the company from sourcing the required components. Well, I think I have the answer, and you are on the right place. So basically, Huawei stockpiled several million Kirin chipsets to use in their smartphones before sanctions cut it off from TSMC. Perhaps now, some of those Kirin chipsets are free to use. The reason behind it is obviously Honor. The Honor is officially sold, and new Honor devices will not use the Kirin 9000 chipsets. So Huawei can use those Kirin chipsets in the Huawei P50 series. Also now, Huawei seems pretty confident that TSMC will also be able to secure a license and resume shipments of chipsets to Huawei. And if you don't know, Qualcomm and MediaTek both applied for a license, so the company was not in danger of having no chipsets to power its phones. So naturally, it would prefer to use its own Kirin silicon for the job, so this is looking like a win for Huawei again, and that's really an amazing news. With that being said, the report further suggests Samsung displays and LG displays are ready to supply old panels for the new Huawei models. And people with a direct knowledge of the matter said that Samsung Displays acquired a license to trade Huawei back in October, and it seems that LG did so as well. So it's quite possible that the upcoming Huawei P50 range will use Samsung displays or LG displays. Let's see what's going to happen at the end, but the good news is that the upcoming Huawei P50 series will use Huawei's own high-silicon Kirin 9000 chipsets instead of Qualcomm processors. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.